The flyover has been under construction since 2009 and missed several deadlines. It disintegrated onto a crowded street around lunchtime, crushing pedestrians, cars and other vehicles under concrete slabs and metal. Construction projects in India have long been plagued by lax safety standards. Our correspondent Sreta Bajaj has more details.
If you look at the area where this entire disaster happened, it's an extremely crowded area, because of which there was a whole lot of commotion when this happened. Thousands of people gathered. For the longest time, the rescue teams had a very tough time actually trying to make a human chain to keep the people out. At this point in time, cranes are present. The National Disaster Relief Forces are present. About 80 people are there rescuing other people. There are gas cutters being used. There are fire services which have been pressed as well. Army is involved as well. At least 2 ambulances have reached the spot to take people. We're also hearing about news of 4 policemen who were actually involved in the rescue work, and after a certain part actually went down, they are stuck as well. At the same time, the eyewitness account is saying that water has been passed on to them. There's also news coming in. There's another column of the same flyover which is very weak at this point in time. All the people around the area have been asked to evacuate.